Maybe you guys have seen this on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Guessing that would be the brand. So I ordered it. Not really crazy about my truck shining, but I do want it to be able to just take it to car wash and just blast it, and hose it down, and that's it. Seems watery. It took about 5 days to get to my mailbox, which not bad. It was pretty simple to apply and dry it. I know there's other products you can do it wet mode. Has a air freshener scent. My truck is not no new truck, but it seemed to apply pretty good. I only did one application. I just don't want a lot of dirt on the truck. The truck sits for a couple of days. So if the dirt and if it rains, if it just comes off really quick, then that'll be pretty nice. I didn't do this spot right here, so I guess I'll use that as my, if it did work good or not. Overall, it shines. Not really worried about the shininess. I guess I'll have to wait a week before I take it back to the car wash, or if it gets dirty. If it holds up really good, then it's a good product. I'm not sure if you guys do the windows. I did the windows. I didn't bother with anything else. I didn't do the tailgate because the tailgate's pretty old, beat up. But I do have this one that I bought, picked it up at O'Reilly's. It's a little bit more thicker. They smell the same. This one, you see it everywhere in YouTube. I guess there's pros and cons about it. I didn't use this one on my personal truck. I used it on my work truck, which my work truck, I do drive it every day. This one, I would say maybe a little easier because you wash your truck and then you spray this on and then you apply it while you're drying it, and then use another towel and basically just completely dry it. I'm not sure if I did it right or if I didn't wipe down good. The truck came out really shiny, really clean. Again, the same thing in my work truck. I just want it so that it's not as hard to clean when it gets dirty. But it was windy the past couple of days, and I guess wherever I didn't wipe down really good, the dirt collected there. I did drive it 600 miles in the past 4 days, so the butterflies stuck to the front end was minimal, so I guess I would have to wait till I take it back to the car wash to see how easily every dirt and watermarks and dead butterflies fall off of it. It smells good. Not sure, I guess, what the whole fuzz was about. Maybe not working, it's not good, I don't know. Again, I just want this to be able to just to take the truck and hose it down. Not really crazy about it shining. If it keeps the dust off, perfect. This Meguiar's, I mean, It's like $15. I guess you get AutoZone or O'Reilly's. The ceramic shield one you have to order. You won't be able to find it at any local store. Box it came with, and basically it just comes with this. That's it. It comes capped. That's basically it. So I guess in a week I'll do an update. So I don't know if anybody has a preference. Again, this one, watery, shake it, spray it. Meguiar's a little bit more thicker. You can clean it while your truck is wet. This one, it has to be dried, and then you apply it and then clean it off. So they both smell good. I'm not sure about the cons. I mean, this one's a little bit more expensive. This one, you can just pick it up your local auto store, maybe even Walmart. Any questions, comments? Any of you guys have been using either one of these products? You guys did anything different? Give me a comment. Maybe y'all use it on your windows, you know, and if y'all using it on the windows. I did on driver and passenger side. So I'll see what Mother Nature brings next week, and I'll give an update on how the truck looks or how this material holds on. Work truck, I guess it did all right. Maybe I would do 2 applications next time and properly dry it really good so that it doesn't get any dirt stuck on it, and see how it holds on. And that's it. Yeah, hit me up some likes, comments. If you guys are using these things, let me know. Let me know what y'all doing different. I'll keep looking on YouTube, see what anybody else has. Thank you.